This video shows you how to use our module directory. Our module directory can be found at qmul.ac.uk/modules. If we scroll down the page, Step 1 I'm interested in has a drop-down function. If you select Associate Student Modules, this will automatically filter out any modules that are not open to associate students and only show those that are. In Step 2, you can filter by school, subject, semester, level, and if you already know a module code, you can place it here. In this example, I'm going to use semester. There are a few options for semester. If you are with us for a full year, so those starting in autumn and staying for our spring semester, you can select full year module. For those starting in semester 1, which is our autumn semester, you can select semester 1. For semester 2, this refers to spring semester, so you would select semester 2. In this option, I'm going to select semester 1. Once I scroll down the page, you will see that this has applied the filters as requested. All of these are showing semester 1, and all of them are shown as open to associates. Now, if I look at these different options and I take a particular interest in one of these, for example, business law, if I select the green dot to the left of the title, this will expand a text box. This will give me further details on the credits, the contact for the module, a brief description of the module, the assessment layout, which level this is, and the timetable. We understand the timetable section of this can be quite confusing, so do not worry about this at this stage. If going off of this information here, I'm interested in further details on this module, I would go to the module code, which is up in the top. In this example, it's BUS 205. And then I would send an email to study-abroad@qmul.ac.uk where I can request a syllabus with further information on this particular module. We hope this helps.